Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be organizing the workshop, so let's get started. First I built a storage for scrap wood. I cut the front and back of the storage, then the sides and the divider. These corner lamps are very useful in this situation. It holds the pieces in 90 degrees. Using wood glue between, I screwed the sides of the storage. I sanded the whole unit after building it. When I've done the other side, I turned it around and screwed the front panel of the storage. I wanted to separate the smaller and larger pieces, so I added a divider. Front panel was bending, so I secured it with a long clamp while I applied the glue and screwed it down from both sides. Then I cut the bottom part. This wasn't long enough, so I had to cut another piece later on. With that done, the storage is ready and I could finally organize the scrap wood. As a next step, I built a table using wood from an old pallet. Firstly, I cleaned it from dust, then I sanded it. I knew this wouldn't look good as new, so I tried to build the table in a kind of rustic style. After cleaning it up, I cut them on sides. These pieces are going to be the legs of my table. A quick dry fit, then I repaired them with wood filler and wood glue. When dried, I sanded them by hand. Then I applied a coat of grey paint. This will match the wheels. As I want it to be rustic, I did not spray it perfectly. Then I just assembled it using longer screws on the legs to give stability and sturdiness. To put the wheels on, I removed one of the screws on each side, and using this hole, I could easily install them. I was really lucky to find a piece of MDF that has the exact width as my table, so I just had to cut the length. Then I applied a protective layer. I cut some spacers to help me fix the tabletop to the legs with brackets. This table won't be used for machines, mainly for my phone or tablet, coffee and other small things. Thank you for watching and following the build of this workshop. Please consider subscribing if you like the content. Hit the bell notification to get notified when we upload a new video. Like and share the video to help the channel grow. You can also find us on Facebook and Instagram.